So my question is for the losing team. Francisco for the losing team. So while playing, what are the challenges? What are the challenges you have encountered? What are the challenges you have encountered while playing?
Problema ni mo wala katula.
Lima ang kwan, ang ako tail. Ang akong tail. Oh, lumay.
Danger?
Dili lang. Gapon ra na nahitabo.
So, di ba qualifier mo po siya? Do you think enough na ang inyong ipakita or need pa ang training? More training? Do you think enough na ang inyong
Formula,